어떤 시험을 좀 빠르게 미 지난 지니까
이제 숨기
진짜 무슨
When they get scared, they blow up really big. And do you see those spines on them?
Yeah, that's the pokey thing.
Yeah.
just a film.
Over there. You see the little, oh, that's one of my favorite ones that just swam by. Do you see the purple and the other one?
That was, that's a cool, that's so cute.
하마.
이리 와, 항상 싫어.
따뜻다. 야채들은 뭐.
도미. 스윗.
Solar door zonchi dele kile di creature di de suni ya dis dubna ama хочем ama чуна damzi kala de bi kan hoş dünya mı bu şey ilk son zaman oldu gün değil ki
저 이제 주차가 그게.
Gentlemen. Ama şu Çinli koyka. Ama dinleyince ama da. Kaç çocuk söylüyorsun kızı diyor. 니모, 무이지야. 니모, 네. 아니, 참. 대단. 진짜 dinleyici.
¿Cuál fue? Debe ser gusano. Mira, hay un pececito ahí.
Sí, hay un amarillo.
Una y media es un espectáculo.
Hay otra estrella ahí, debajito metida en la tierra. Mira, se está destapando. ¿Sí
Una
ves?
y media a las 3 de la mañana. ¿Dónde?
Hay otra ahí al lado, mira, otra estrella.
Sí, ya la vi.
Medio tapada. Mira cómo se mueve.
띵야들이 브라나라니 지금 뭐이지야? 야디 속에요. 차 동기를 들으니. 퍼치도 돼. First demonized has been writing about the school. Pair has trapped and starving attacked. The car was actually thrown into the. 아니 야디기도 simple attack 치도. 가주도 오다면서. Provide attempt to make the president and
¿Tú me bañé en la Amazonas con piraña?
exit 신아 야디 야디 신아 근데 전부 넣었다 네 에이 잘라 네가 칼라테뉴 해갈라 플로리다 아니 잘 내가 지도 에이 그지
인제嘞，对噻。或者东莞别的是九层，你家的错生意一老的，差不多都不生意老的，去那里错越了。Catfish，阿拉地马来有的，应该的呀，catfish。Oh my god.
Masih.
Ada chapsa sangi di dire pada pagi ni jan di dia doa. Ceng sama sugi lo.
칠로리에서 왜?
Silo dah.
야 저래.
Sirigeni şu bu.
Udi.
아, 기뻐도 돼.
Tada ko sene der. Bir o da.
Sea otter.
Ale otur.
Be. 강길은. Sea otter. 때문에 되겠지.
Dia dalam doa cepat je. Cepat je jumpa.
Shark da sama dina.
Berat.
나 동거 맞아, 동거 맞아.
안 사가 동 거 되래.
아니 니
슈가
슈가
되래.
되래. 시점이다.
근데 쇼 얘라.
예.
다리가 지래 샥 하지.
No.
아니. 아, 실로 하지. 실로인. 아, 언제들이 액회림 다르지? 액회림 되다. Tadi nala, temu tadi sih.
Durante este momento, si tiene algún niño con usted hoy, aproveche este tiempo para asegurar cualquier objeto que pueda estar sosteniendo. Esto es importante de acordar no solo aquí en el...
My name is Anna, and I am thrilled to be part of the aqua theater team here at the aquarium. We are so excited to have you here today and to share with you our animal ambassadors. Being an animal ambassador means that they represent their species out in the wild. Zoos and aquariums provide a safe space for guests to come face to face with these incredible animals who play a special role in helping educate millions of guests every single year. Today, with our animals' help, we are excited to share about their unique personalities, the training and care we provide for them, adaptations that help these animals thrive in an aquatic environment. Next thing we can look at is their flippers. Sea lions have very long and flexible flippers, but a seal has very short front flippers. A seal will use their very long and flexible flippers to pull themselves toward the water, whereas a seal will use their rear flippers to propel themselves forward. And then lastly, when moving on land, a sea lion can tuck their limbs under their body, enabling them to walk on all fours. But a seal will move across land using their stomach muscles in a motion called Everyone, let's give it up for Townsend. Now this does bring Townsend's portion. Dedicate our lives to these animals. They mean now entering California Sea Lion Bruiser and his trainers Sarah and Catherine. Every day we strive to keep our animals healthy and fit, both mentally and physically. And a great way we can do this is through training. Not only do our sea lions learn new behaviors, but other species like our eels, sharks, and birds participate as well. Training is a great game that encourages curiosity, problems using positive reinforcement. This means that we reward the behaviors that we're looking for and we ignore the behaviors we don't want. And while we may not speak the same language, these guys definitely understand all that fish. But fish is not the only way we can tell our sea lions they're doing a great job. When they're working with us, our sea lions respond well to back rubs, whisker rubs, ice cubes, praise, jello, and even applause. So, audience, let's hear it. A word, a hand signal, a tap on the body, or even a combination of these. And after days, weeks, or even months of practice, it's time to show off the final behavior. Nice job, Bruiser! But this is just one behavior, and Bruiser here to share with you all of our amazing animal ambassadors. We hope that by giving you a unique glimpse into their personalities, the training and care we provide for them, adaptations that help these animals thrive in an aquatic environment, and how you can help protect our oceans even right here in New York, we can all come together to make a difference. Now before they go, let's give one more round of applause for the stars of the show. We had California Sea Lions, Townsend and Bruiser, and their trainers, Catherine and Sarah. Thank you so much for coming today, and we hope you have a great rest of your day here at the New York Aquarium. Goodbye, everyone.
Start spreading the news.
Thanks for joining us at the Aqua Theater. Remember, you can keep our animals safe by ensuring that personal items do not fall into any of our exhibits. At this time, please make your way towards the nearest exit, keeping in mind that the closest exit may be behind you. If you require an accessible ramp, please make your...
Visitar el Aqua Teatro. Recuerde que puede mantener seguro.
Şahta dedi, Sinan Şah. Yine ola şahta dedi.
Kita mesti tunggu dah.
Я такого таскала.
올라가고 니도. Dimito di tumba todo. Marmet terus marmet. Mik cuma cuma. kodesh. Chik de ora wada horode.
Böyle dedi. Ne oldu kız?
İyi de dela. İyi de.
Böyle böyle.
신기로 시다. 키로 좀 카다. 좋았어. 이제다. 네, 제목도 진짜. 그렇게 꾸겨.